Welcome to Cambridge English Language Institute. This is Ansar Ahmad. In today's video, I am going to talk about English Grammar Series lecture number 11. Today's our topic is demonstrative pronoun. What does demonstrative pronoun mean? The word demonstrate means point out, or when we call it indicate. A pronoun used to point out. Point out means indicate. The person or thing we talk about is known as demonstrative pronoun. Examples: this, that, these, those. They are called demonstrative pronoun. Now let's talk about that. This. It is used to point out someone or something that is near a speaker. For example, I say this is a boy. I may also say that this is a chair. Next one is that. That is the opposite of this. It is used to point out someone or something that is far from a speaker. For example, I say that is a car. I may also say that is a boy. Next we have these. It is the plural of this. It is used to point out more than two person or thing that is near a speaker. For example, I say these are books. I may also say these are students. Next one is that is called those. Those is the plural of that. It is used to point out someone or something that is far from a speaker, more than two person or people. For example, I say that those are chairs, and I say those are boys. Note these words. What does these words mean? This, that, these, those. These words may be used as adjective with nouns, and they are known as demonstrative adjective. Now, what is the difference between demonstrative pronoun and as well as demonstrative adjective? Now let me clear the concept. Look at this example. The example is this house is mine. When these words such as this, that, these, those, they are followed by noun, then this, these, those, that are called demonstrative adjective. For example, I say this house is mine. In this case, this is what? Demonstrative adjective, because it's followed by noun. Next one, these things are. So here, these is followed by things, and things is what? It is plural noun. So these are called what? Demonstrative adjective. Now, if you look at this case, this is followed by is. We call SMR, verbs. When these words are followed by verb, we call it demonstrative pronoun. Now, let's talk about another one. Reciprocal pronoun. What does reciprocal pronoun mean? A pronoun used to talk about mutual relationship is known as reciprocal pronoun. We have each other and one is one another. These two are called reciprocal pronoun. Each other. It is used to talk about two persons. For example, I say the two sisters loved each other. Next one. When I ask for money, when I asked for my money, the brothers looked at each other. It means the two brothers looked each other. Next one another. It is used to talk about more than two person or things. Example is all the brothers. Here all refer to all the brothers. And my uncle's family quarreled with one another. So here it refers to all. Next one, example, they cheated with one another.